Hey there, my friend. Coach Kirkshinta here. In this video, if you're watching this, you most likely are interested in the 10x income system. In today's video about the 10x income system, I wanted to answer the question, are sales guaranteed? Is there a risk with the 10x income system? And that's what I'm going to be answering. So you want to stay tuned and watch all the way to the end because I'm going to answer this question. But before I go into it, I want to go over what is the 10x income system. The 10x income system is a work from home system. It allows you to earn unlimited $297 commissions. This system really is for people who maybe you didn't have success with organic marketing, whether it be Facebook posting, Instagram, all those things like that, even YouTube marketing, if that's not something that you want to do and you want to do it passively, you want someone to take over your marketing for you and advertise your business for you, that's who it's for. And you get put in position that every time someone purchases the system from you, you're in position to make $297 commissions. So the main point of this program is that someone is doing the marketing and traffic, taking care of the marketing and traffic for you so that you truly have something passive and you can go out and live your life. Now, for full disclosure, if you want to do organic marketing to get bonus sales, you want to do a YouTube video, you want to do a quick post in a Facebook group or on your wall or in your stories or something like that, or Instagram post, you can certainly do that. But the great point of this program is that someone is doing the marketing for you so that you don't have to. And that is what makes it passive, and that is what a lot of people want, are passive opportunities so that they can go live their life, they can live their full-time job or whatever, and they can have passive streams of income able to come in. So that's the selling point. So that's what the 10x income system is. It's only $297 to get started with to become a reseller of the system, and that's pretty much that. Okay, so now that I've explained what the 10x income system is, I want to kind of show you. Hold on one second. Let me go back to my other screen. I want to talk about why passive income is important before I talk about the main question. So, in order to understand why the 10x income system is such in demand, you need to understand what passive income is. Passive income is earnings from anything where you don't have to be actively involved. So, again, if with the 10x income system, with them taking over your marketing, it's hands off if you want it to be that way. You don't have to market your business organically. Okay. And when you do make a commission, okay, you make 297 at a time. That's truly passive income. That's the selling point. That's the beauty of this program. Okay. That's passive income. You want passive income for a lot of reasons. Anything could happen where you don't have time to promote, where maybe you don't have the skill set yet as a beginner to learn or to know how to effectively market. How do you then make sure that your business is getting marketed so that you can generate passive income? And you always want to have passive income. Passive income means that you could have a death of a loved one. You could have you could be at your job. You have income coming in. Anything when life could happen, you still have a stream of income that is able to put you in position to earn income. That's the beauty of passive income. Okay. Now, the next question that people have is, does it work? Okay. So what I'm going to do is take you over to the Facebook group and kind of show you, yes, it does. So we're here in the members only group, and you can see that she's letting us know additional places that she has approved to advertise our business. This has already paid out over $100,000 in paid commissions to members in less than 30 days. So, she gives daily updates on what's going on, so on and so forth. We have a member here. Move myself over. I was in my bed watching TV, minding my business, and I got a notification this 10x system is fire. She got a $297 passively. She's also going the owner announced that she's going to be teaching us a new organic traffic strategy. We have another member here who got a $297 just from the traffic from the 10x income system advertising the program passively for her. So that's pretty much that. We have another person making commissions and so on. So I could go on and on and on. You could watch any of my other videos and see the other proof from the group. So I won't spend a lot of time on that because I really want to just show, answer the question. The original question was, our sales guarantee, is there a risk? So let's talk, and before we get to that, let's talk about why paid advertising, why this 10x income system. So the reason why you want to do paid advertising is because when you do paid advertising versus organic marketing, posting in Facebook groups, posting on Instagram, um, things like that, it frees up your time to actively market your business. When you have a system that is marketing your business for you through Google Ads, it frees up your time. And time, this is what the rich do. The rich buy time. Okay. The gurus buy time. They buy time by having other people market their business for them so that they don't have to. That's how they create air quotations lifestyle freedom, time freedom. Okay, so that's a thing about this program, is that the beauty in it is that it frees up your time from actively having to market your business. Now you can certainly do that on top of that, but then that frees up even more time for you to do that more effectively because you know that someone else is giving your business a boost by marketing your business. And what the 10x income system does is it exposes your business to Google searchers through Google Ads by putting an ad in front of them, and then your link is in the rotator. Okay. Now, the question that we're going to get to is, are sales guaranteed? No, sales are not guaranteed with any income system. And what I want to tell you is this. I've been on the internet for a long time. Any program that promises that you will get sales is a scam. Okay? No program can guarantee you sales. But what I can tell you is, if you go back to our Facebook group, you look at all the member testimonials, right? You will see, or go back to my other videos. We have tons of people who are getting results with this system, and every time they make a sale through the traffic or on top of that, they're doing bonus organic traffic, they make $297 commissions. Okay? And it's direct to you. Direct member to member. It's not you're waiting on somebody to cut you a check or anything. Now, what I can tell you is, in terms of the advertising reach of this program, right now the program has 10 is running several Google ads at a rate of almost $200 a day per ad. Okay, that's over $800 a day in advertising for members in the program, and these members in 10x system are in these rotators. Okay, so paid advertising, I want to be clear, is a strategy. This is not for quick win or lotto mindset people. It doesn't mean that because you came into a 10x income system and you did paid advertising that all these sales are going to spit out. It doesn't mean that you're going to get rich with this system. It means that it's going to put you in position to earn passive income, something you don't have to market. And when you do make a commission, you didn't have to work for it. Okay. So my best advice, what I tell people is, well, I guess we're kind of moving into the next question, is this: is there a risk? Barely, barely, barely. So let's say that you, like, even though this is a passive system, let's say you shared your link with one person organically and that person joined. You made your $297 back. Everything from there is profit. Okay. Let's say conservatively, from the paid traffic and advertising that the program does for you, let's say that conservatively you make, let's just say, 3 monthly sales from traffic. You've not only made your money back, but you've made a profit. Okay. Let's say that you only made a one to 2 extra sales a month. That's an extra $297 to $600 a month that you didn't have to do anything for. And let me tell you this. This is the way to build passive income streams. So I want you to think of this not as a ticket. Like, don't be like, oh yeah, this is going to be my ticket to quit my job or to do this or do that. But instead, this is a passive income stream that I can build. What I want you to think is long term. If you can build 1 to 3 income streams, and each one of those streams is $600 to $1,500 a month. Every single month you're getting those streams, right? I want you to think 6 months from now, you built 3 passive income streams. Each one of those giving you $600 to $1,500 a month. For a lot of people, that's life-changing income. But you have to have the focus and the mindset to realize that this is a strategy. This is a strategy. Okay, the strategy is you have somebody advertising your business for you. The strategy is you're building this passive stream while you're living your life, while you're working your job, while you're taking care of whoever, while you're taking care of your kids, your loved ones, whatever. While you have a passive stream that with reliability, you know that it can net you $600 to $1,500 a month or more, right? You build that stream. You don't spend that money. What do? You take a percentage of that money, go build you another passive stream. This is what the gurus do, but won't teach you how to build passive income, giving you the secret, giving you the sauce. Okay? So again, the secret isn't in thinking that any one program is going to be your big ticket. Okay? No one program is going to be your big ticket out of your job. No one big program is going to be your big ticket, right? The strategy is to build passive income streams, right? One stream stops going, you have two other. And I want to say this, another reason why I say don't look at anything as your big ticket, but look at it as your passive stream you're building. If COVID didn't teach anybody anything, do not put all your eggs in any one basket. Don't put all your eggs in your job. Don't put all your eggs in one income stream. You build passive income streams, but it starts with one. All right, so that's my best takeaway. If you want to join the 10X income system, now you understand there's very little risk to this. It's a great way to build passive income. I gave you the sauce on how it works and how you can leverage this to build other streams, but get consistent with it starts with one. All right, the link is beneath this video if you want to get started, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.